What's going on today, you guys? So today I'm going to be talking to you about a little comparison between the KRK Rokit G4 8s and the KRK Rokit G4 7s. These are two excellent monitors, perfect for smaller to mid-sized studios, great for beginner and intermediate producers who aren't looking to spend a ton of money but still want something that is high quality, still want to get that high fidelity, flat frequency response out of their monitors. They're both excellent, of course. They come in the same generation, and so KRK has put a lot of the same features on both of these monitors, although there are some very, very slight differences which you should know before you pick them up. For starters, the ones you're looking at right now are the KRK Rokit G4 8s. That means that they have an 8-inch woofer. This is made of Kevlar. It's got a really, really nice, tight, punchy bass response. The 7s, the same exact thing. These have a 1-inch tweeter on top. They have a pretty nice sweet spot. Not the best out of all monitors in the world, but or I guess all monitors in this price range. But they are pretty solid. The highs and lows are great, and that can be said for both the 8s and the 7s. Some other features that are the same on both include the front-firing bass ports, which is great because you can put your monitors up against a wall and not have to worry about kind of muddy or flabby bass frequency responses. And also they do have the onboard DSP EQ in the back, which we can come around here and check that out really quick. That's on this little LED screen right here. So yeah, they're very similar in a lot of ways. One of the main differences, or I guess I should say the main difference, is the size. The KRK 7 G4s or G4 7s, whatever you want to call them, they have a 6.5-inch low frequency driver. This can get a little bit confusing because most of the monitors in this lineup have names that match the woofer dimensions, although they are half an inch off actually, which we don't need to get into semantics, but 6.5 inches, it is not 7 inches, just in case anyone gets weird and up in arms about it. So of course what that means is you're not going to get the same low frequency response, although it's still much better than the 5s, which are the lowest or smallest in the lineup of KRK G4s. So if you're somebody who's working in a smaller studio, maybe you have a room in your apartment, your bedroom, your dorm room, or you just need, don't really need to spend that extra money to get that extra 5 or 6 hertz on the bottom end, then I would highly recommend just going with the 7s. The 7s are great monitors. They have all of the same features, and if you really don't need that lower end, then there's really no point in you spending extra money to get it. On the other end, if you're looking for something a bit more professional, a bit more of a wide range, then I would say definitely go with the KRK Rokit 8 G4s. The couple of extra 1.5 inches really does add quite a bit of just power and punch, and so they're better for that full range style of listening. Alrighty guys, that's my little comparison between the KRK Rokit 8 G4s and the KRK Rokit 7 G4s. If you have any insights into which one you like best, or if you have any questions, feel free to say so in the comments. Alright, take it easy.